Hi there, welcome back to Django tutorial. This is 14th tutorial in this series. Till now we have learned how to add template and how to render template. I want to come back to why we actually pointed at quiz/quiz HTML. Why I did not place the HTML directly inside the template folder. We can place quiz.html directly inside the template. It's mean we can skip the subfolder quiz and we can adjust path here like this. But it is considered a best practice to repeat your app name in the template folder, because if you have multiple apps in your project, this different app might have the simpler template name. If you would have just a template name inside quiz HTML directly in the template folder for the quiz app. If you have another app and that contains the same file name like quiz.html, in this case Django would not be able to tell these two templates apart. In other words, Django merges all the template folder from all app into a big template folder. So in this situation, Django don't know which HTML file it should call. So this is why a best practice is to repeat the app name in the templates folder inside the app. This makes sure that you are not clashing the file names in different apps. One more point here. Currently I am using render_to_string, the function to render my quiz.html with the help of the HTTP response. There is nothing wrong in here, but for the best practice we can use here Django shortcut that we have already imported from the Django shortcut. With this we can get rid of render_to_string like this. Now I can directly return render and HTML document. It does the same thing as the render_to_string does for us. But here we have to add one more argument as request. For now, I will comment out this line. Let's save and have a look into the browser. Localhost quiz second, and it's work fine. It is able to render our HTML document. Till now, our HTML document has been loaded successfully, but this HTML document is just static. It's not dynamic. So now I am going to make this HTML document a dynamic. To make our HTML document dynamic, I am going to pass the quiz name in the render function. For this, I am going to pass the third argument, which is a dictionary, which holds the key and value. Like text is a key name is up to you, and the value I want to pass. In my case, it's quiz challenge. Here I am passing my quiz name in the text key, so that I can access the text key inside my HTML document. Like inside the HTML document, I can use this special symbol which is double curly braces. This special symbol in Django used to inject dynamic value. Now I am going to use my dictionary key text, which I have given inside my view in the dictionary. In this text, it holds the quiz challenge name. Let's save all the file and have a look into the browser. And let's reload this. Second quiz. It's working as expected. Here for the second, it's written second quiz. As we have given as in the our dictionary, for the second key we have provided the second quiz. One last thing, you can differentiate with these two render function. In the render to string, I am not able to pass the dictionary. It's mean render to string do not work for the dynamic document. So I am going to delete these two lines. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.